even making our own path. This one starts out on this old logging road. Well, not an old one, it's probably still active at some level. You can see the fresh tracks, at least fresh last year. Sure hope all those bird calls come through. Just had a nice little wave of birds come through. I think I got a really nice dark-eyed junco and a red-breasted nuthatch as I trip over a pine coat. It's funny, that little rock outcropping is more or less backlit by the sunrise, whereas in the fall, it's nice, the sun hits it right on the side. Once we got off the fire road, it gets pretty steep down there. We got a nice ridge that we can follow here. So, check back later. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, where this over here is a steep cliff. So then we have to go over here and more or less zigzag down here to come back around to head back over in the direction we want to go. It's a great day. Last time I was here, I remember this tree. I walked around this tree and then kept going down a little bit even more to get around the cliff. But that's where we came from. This part's fun, but it's slow going. You have to stop and look and see where you can go. You gotta go between the manzanita and the rock up to get to the log to go over the little hump. Now it's just through this manzanita here. Again, on top of that ridge, and that ridge up and over is going to be a little bit of smooth sailing. I remember there being a little bit of cliffy spots you got to work around, but getting there. There's the spine. I'm going to walk up and around. Hoping to get out here somewhere. Unpack the drone. I know that there's a bunch of waterfalls on the other side of that ridge. I don't think I can get down. I mean, look at that. I don't think I'll be getting down to the river to take photos with my big camera, but man. If I can get close, that would be good to launch the drone and just see what they look like. Still way up here. But you're starting to see that one fork of the river. I say one fork because on this side is one fork of the river, and on the other side of the ridge is the other fork of the river. And this fork is going to wrap around the ridge and just go through a series of just spectacular, assuming spectacular waterfalls. Again, that's why we're here. Check it out. That's just like the last quarter. I had no idea that the drone footage reveals all. So excited to get back and check it out. That's another good angle on another one of the waterfalls, upstream of the ones we want to look at. I hope these are all just warm-ups. This gives you a better feel of where we came from. Way up here, it's the Manzanita Forest, and we followed this ridge, came all the way down just through here somehow, can't even tell you, all the way down to here now. And now, we look over this side, see all those waterfalls, look over that side, can't see any waterfalls yet, but still moving along. got to the end of the point, but unfortunately can't see the waterfalls down there. Here's the the last rock that I'm not going to try and get around. But yeah, it's been an adventure. Okay, we're just up there. We scrambled on here, but there's the point. That goes all the way down. All the way down to the river. And you can just, oops, I have to take a step forward. You can just barely see one of the